Lichens produce a whole range of unique chemicals, some of which are used to mop up what might otherwise be toxic materials. In this case, there's a lichen growing on this rock which is rich in iron, and the iron might otherwise affect the growth of the lichen, but it takes up the iron and turns it into an insoluble form, and the lichen goes rust-coloured. There are other lichens that take up copper and go green, for example. Very few plants or animals can live in copper-rich places. Over here there's another lichen called the cup lichen, and recently we found that it contains a unique substance that protects mammals from getting mad cow disease, Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease. This has great implications for the farming industry because at present we spend an awful lot of money trying to make sure that we don't suffer from mad cow disease and all the dead livestock have to be burned.